bitches rockin' inches cause they followin' the leader. I should switch it up on hoes and rock an afro like Lupita.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Shell. Welcome back to my channel, and today I got inspired to do my own little lookbook, but it's going to be on wigs I have already had. I want you to know, do not mind birch because I did not end up doing it. I am going to be doing the Freetress Equals freedom part and Diamond by Sensationnel. Let's begin. So I'm just going to prep it, and I just put the two sides out, and then I put the rubber band in the back. And then once I do the rubber band in the back, I want to make sure that I put it to the length that I wanted because I like my bobs short in the back. So I seen the rubber band method, but I just tweaked it to where instead of putting the rubber bands all over the hair, I just put it in the back. And then from the one side, I'm just going to cut it upwards. And then once I cut it upwards, I'm going to do the other side. And since I'm right-handed and not left-handed, I'm going to cut downwards on the left-hand side to get it the way that I have. And then I'm just cutting the back, and I'm just letting you see. And then right there, I did cut it a little uneven, so I had to go in and clean it up. But this is the final look, the result that I got, and I did love it. And then I'm going to go in and clean up that was not even. Then I'm going to move on to go ahead and flat iron it just to give it a little bit more bounce, and voila. I'm just going to try to do like a little bit. 60 for you guys. Semi. And this is what the back looks like. Y'all know I'm not a professional, and y'all just seen me do this on camera. So it's not try to talk shit, okay? Okay. I can't show you guys how like to pluck the baby hair on this one because this one I already did. I bought this wig like back in February, March, and I believe I got it from Glamourtress. In the beginning, I did show y'all the stock card for it, and this hair is bomb. I bought this wig because I seen Trini K had it. Showing you guys like you can still have, you know, a hot girl summer and be on a budget, you know. Baby hairs are optional, but I'm gonna do it on sis. You already know, a toothbrush, free spray, and your gots to be. So get some water and your toothbrush, and you just wet the toothbrush. Not too wet, just make sure you shake it off. And then you just do that to manipulate the baby hair. Okay, so now that I did manipulate it the way that I want it, I'm gonna take the gots to be, put it on, use the comb for a sec. Boom. Then same for the other one. Yeah, I hope this look right. I always see if it look right whenever I'm editing. You know what? I'm gonna use my own little baby hair. I'm gonna make the baby hair a little bit smaller. Alright, so that's the side. And then I already put a little bit of gel here. I'm gonna make this a little bit wider. Okay, so these baby hairs right here is how I like, so to have them stick down a little bit. You want to add free spray for the finishing touch. I'm not gonna put on my real baby hair. Okay. If you, because you did the baby hairs like this. You know what, guys? I want to, ooh, gonna make me want to go out. Y'all gonna make me want to go out. Okay, so you could, you know, dress this up. You can have it both to the back. Okay. with some nice little, you know, tangling earrings, you know. Then if you really want, you know, style on them, you know, you can really style on them if you want to, you know. So it's up to y'all for real. But honey, this bob is life. Stay tuned. I might wear it a date night or something. Or you can just rock it, the shades on top of the head. You know. Alright, we gotta go to the next one. So stay tuned to the next slide. Alright, next up is Diamond, and I am prepping her. So what I am doing is putting plaits in, and not too many. I put 3 on one side, and then I'm going to put 3 on the other side, and I put rubber bands on the ends to make it stick down. Alright, y'all, so she done went from Diamond to Felicia. And got my towel, my boiling water. So what I do, this is optional, you don't have to do it, is I pour a little bit of conditioner. This one has coconut oil. And then let me just dip this in there. I forgot to get my damn thing, but I'm gonna use the end of my brush. And what I'm gonna do is just stir it around. Okay. Stir this around. And I want to wait till it's boiling. So I'm gonna keep her in here for about 3 minutes. I'm probably not gonna show y'all. And once I do that, I'm going to put her on the towel, let her dry off, and then we'll do the end results together, okay? Alright, this is when they're like kind of dry, so I start unraveling some of them, and I'm just showing you the end result. And look how pretty she is, and I'm going to show you the rest of it. Yes! And y'all, she is so soft. Oh my goodness. If you do this, I'm telling y'all, that conditioner. I came up with this idea because last year I had bought Gem, and Gem is like a wavy texture, and I ended up straightening her so she ended up looking like Diamond. So this time I bought Diamond. A year later, I wore her straight for the festival in April, and I was like, well, why don't I try to turn her into Gem, you know? Look. Y'all. Okay? It's just so pretty. I'm so sorry. Wig is high maintenance. I ain't gonna hold y'all. She's high maintenance. So she's starting to puff up like a little bit towards the ends. But you can do treat her like a wet and wavy. So take some leave-in conditioner. If you don't have leave-in conditioner, you can always take water and your favorite conditioner and just shake it all up. And just spray the ends. Or you can also just do water too. With some leave-in conditioner. And you just do this. Okay. I'm not going to brush this just yet because I like the way it looks right now, so I'm not brushing it. And then this is just some leave-in conditioner, but it doesn't matter. This. And I'm going to put it on the end. It's about to be a hot girl, city girl summer. Now, since I made it wavy, it may be a little bit more high maintenance than what it was straight, but okay, here's the end result. Look at that. We're going to do the baby hair. And when you're doing a baby hair, start from the back and then swoop the top. Because you want to make sure it's kind of spread it out. Good enough for me. Voila. I'm gonna just do the freeze spray instead of the gel. I'm gonna do the other side of her. Look at. Okay, Pocahontas. This hair is so soft, y'all. It is so soft. See the little hairs flying up? Just stick that on that. What you guys think? guys, this is gonna be it. I'm not gonna do a third wig. We're just gonna keep it at this too. This is Diamond from Sensational's Inches collection. It was 46 inches. That's another thing. I did cut it. It is gonna shed. It is tangly. I would only suggest this wig if you're good with handling long hair. I wouldn't suggest this hair if you think that you're just gonna do nothing to it, because this hair you're gonna need a brush, a paddle brush. You're gonna have to have this on you 24/7, even when we're going to sleep. Now, don't get me wrong, I did sleep in this wig, but I'm used to this wig. I'm used to long hair. But I'm gonna let you know now, she does shed and tangle. She does. This wig I'm gonna rate high maintenance. This wig I would rate low maintenance, and it is from Freetress. Hopefully I'll post a stock card again. I think I should change my name to Revamped Queen or something, because I swear I be revamping the hell out of these wigs. This is how you do a little slay real quick and revamp them wigs that you got at home that you ain't feel like throwing away, or if you ain't got money to buy a new one, or you like me waiting for your other wigs to come. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Letzbegin _ I'll probably do the third wig on there. I'll like post pictures and stuff, because I'm not gonna do a video for it because I already did Birch. But I'll make sure I'll put pictures of the style that I did do with Birch, because I do got this bomb idea and I really love that wig. So if you haven't purchased that, purchase that one. Until next time, guys.